Okay, so we are starting chapter number 1, knowing computer system. In this chapter, we will learn about characteristics of computer. Characteristics of computer means what are the speciality of computer which is not there in the other devices. So these are the speciality of computer. Next is hardware and software. What is the difference between hardware and software? What are the various input devices? What are the various output devices? What is CPU? How does it work? What are the different types of software? And what is memory of computer? We will be going through all these topics in this chapter. Let us start with the definition of computer first. So everybody is already aware of that computer is an electronic machine that can store, find, arrange information, calculate amounts, or do any type of calculation and control other machines also. Computer क्या क्या कर सकता है? It can store the data, it can find any type of information for you, it can arrange the information for you, it can perform calculations, it can control other machines, it execute the instructions or programs to give an information. तो जो भी आप उसको इंस्ट्रक्शंस देते हो उसको एग्जीक्यूट करता है एंड प्रोवाइड यू द output or the desired result. So next is what are the characteristics of computer? What are the speciality of computer? First is speed. Speed. It works with uh a very high speed. Computer work with much higher speed and accuracy compared to humans while performing mathematical calculations. Computer can process millions of instructions per second. Can you compute 10 questions in a minute? No, we can't, because we are humans. We cannot do 10 questions in a minute. But computer can do millions of instructions. It can execute millions of instructions in a second, not even in a minute. It can do it in seconds. The time taken by computers for their operations is in माइक्रोसेकेंड्स एंड नैनो सेकेंड्स. तो वो सेकंड से भी छोटे कम टाइम में काम करता है. नॉट इवन इट विल टेक सेकेंड्स, इट विल डू द प्रोसेसिंग इन माइक्रो सेकेंड्स और इन नैनो सेकेंड्स. Next is accuracy. Computer perform all the calculations with 101% accuracy. Errors may occur in the data due to data inconsistency or data inaccuracy. अगर आप invalid data computer को दोगे, then only there is only chances of error done by the computer. Otherwise, there is no chance कि computer will execute your query in an incorrect way. So there is no chances of error. Next is diligence. Diligence means computer can perform millions of tasks or calculations with the same consistency and accuracy. It doesn't feel fatiguey and lack of concentration. हम क्या करते हैं? We are sitting in front of computer since morning and we are attending one by one after the other. We are attending all the classes, and we this time we are getting tired, we are feeling tired. And if somebody will say you have to attend classes for 4 more hours, you will say no, please, I'm sitting in front of computer since morning, I don't want, I'm already fed up, I'm not able to concentrate on in the classes now. So we may feel tired after few hours. We need a break, but computer doesn't need a break. Computer can do the computer can perform the same task again and again without getting bored, without getting tired, with the same consistency, with the same accuracy. Next is versatile. Versatile means computer can do variety of task, different task at the same time, with same accuracy and efficiency again. So आप आपको, if I'll say to you that you have to sing music, and side by side you have to solve a question of maths, and side by side you have to search something on the computer, you will not be able to do this all these three tasks together. But computer is versatile. It can perform many different tasks at the same time. So it doesn't matter how many tasks you are going to give computer. For example, right now my computer is doing a Zoom meeting. It is also doing the recording of the meeting. Side by side, I have opened a PDF and I'm reading something from the PDF. And I can, at the same time, I can also play a music in the background or a video in a background. I, at the same time, I can also search something on the internet. ठीक है, so computer can do all variety of tasks at the same time. Next is reliable. Reliable means you can trust upon computer. Computer will not take a back step if you have given a task to someone. Suppose if I'll give you a task to perform, you can take a back step. You can say, ma'am, I don't know how to do this task, so I can't do this. I don't have notebook. You will make 100 and more than 100 excuses to not to perform that task. But computer will not do. So it is reliable. You can trust upon computer. Whatever computer will do, it will be correct. You can give any number of tasks to the computer and it will always do it with the same accuracy, with the same efficiency. Next is automation. Computer perform all tasks automatically. You need not to tell every time that how to play music, how to search on internet, how to do the recording, how to play a video. You need not to tell it every time. Once the instructions are written in the computer memory, it will always remain there and computer will start doing all the tasks automatically without any manual guidance. Next is memory. A computer has an inbuilt memory called as primary memory where it stores the data. So computer is divided into two different memories, primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory are those memory which where computer can store all the data which is already there inside the computer. जो computer के अंदर होती है memory. For example, hard disk, RAM, ROM. These are the memories which are already inside the computer. So these are known as primary memory. And secondary memory, which you can insert from the outside and you can save anything in that hard disk. You can use external hard disk, you can use CD, you can use pen drives. These all devices are known as secondary storage devices. So memory is also a specification of computer. Now these were the characteristics of computer. आप trust कर सकते हो computer पे. Computer can perform variety of tasks. Computer will not get tired of doing any task. Computer will do all the tasks with the same accuracy and with a very good speed. It will perform your task with in within seconds, within microseconds, or even in nanoseconds. Okay, next is now hardware and software. Now, what are the hardware parts of the computer and what are the software parts of the computer? All the physical components which you can touch, which you can feel, which you can see with your eyes are known as hardware components of the computer. Basically, which you can touch. These all components are known as hardware components of computer. And software means the applications or the like if I'll click a image in a phone, you cannot touch that image. You can see that image, you can make it a profile picture, but you cannot touch that image. So it means it's a software part. You will not call a image as a software, but anything which you cannot touch is a software part, or you can say it's a soft copy. जो हम फोन में देखते हैं या हम कंप्यूटर में देखते हैं, लाइक दिस इज ई बुक बट इट्स अ सॉफ्ट कॉपी. But if I'll get it printed on a page of paper, it will be converted into a hard copy then. So hardware parts, the computer consists of hardware devices and software devices. These two components together process the data. Hardware is a term associated with physical parts of the computer system. For example, all input devices, output devices, memory devices, and processing devices are hardware devices like CPU, keyboard, monitor, mouse, and printer. fax machine, all these are the hardware parts which you can touch, which you can use, which you can press. uh, but what are software part? The applications or the programs which we are getting installed into the computer are known as software parts. For example, TuxPaint, for example, Scratch, for example, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. All these are the software parts of the computer which you can not touch, but still you can use them. You can make pictures in MS Paint. You can make stories. You can narrate stories using Scratch, using Tux Paint. So it means you are using these applications. So all these are known as software. Operating system is the most important software of the computer. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का एग्जांपल होता है विंडोज, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट विंडोज. सो आपके सिस्टम में अगर विंडोज नहीं होगी, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट विंडोज नहीं होगी, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू वर्क इन योर सिस्टम. सो दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट सॉफ्टवेयर ऑफ द कंप्यूटर. ओपन ऑफिस, हार्डवेयर ड्राइवर्स, जितने भी सपोज आपने प्रिंटर अटैच किया वायर्ड से, चाहे आपने अटैच कर दिया प्रिंटर, बट स्टिल इट विल नॉट गिव यू द प्रिंट आउट टिल द टाइम you will not install the software of that printer into your computer. So आपके फोन में suppose if there is no application to click pictures, you will, even if you are having the camera in your phone, still you cannot click the pictures because you don't have the application to click pictures. So all these devices make basically you can say software part makes your physical parts working. जब तक आपके पास हार्डवेयर है लेकिन सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं है, योर हार्डवेयर विल ऑल्सो नॉट वर्क. इफ यू हैव अ कैमरा बट यू डोंट हैव अ सॉफ्टवेयर फॉर द कैमरा, you will not be able to use camera. So they both are combined together, they both we are using both of them together, then only we are able to use hardware as well as software. We are doing only this much today, rest we will continue from input devices in the next class now.